Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be showing you the basic stitches that is used in crochet. So far that you will require a crochet hook, and then you need a yarn, and so if you are a beginner, you are just starting off your crochet or journey, so I will recommend you that use a 5mm crochet hook. Before we start any kind of crochet, we start with the slip knot. Most of the crochet project started with the slip knot, so we started making a slip knot. First I'm going to make slip knot. I'm using double hook. So here now I'm going to make slip knot. To make slip knot we have to do like this. First of all, and then pull up this yarn and make it tight. So this is a slip knot. Everyone knows how to make slip knot. It's very easy. So now we are going to make, here I make slip stitches. So now I'm going to make chain stitches. How to make chain stitches? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14 and 15 and 16. So I make 16 chains here. So this is a 16 chain stitches. So now I'm going to make single crochet. First I make chain stitches, and now I'm going to make single crochet. So here make a slip knot and tie it. So now make chain 16. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 and 16. So here I'm going to make single crochet. To make single crochet, skip one chain. So you have to skip this base stitches. Look, it's look like a V, and I'm going to skip one chain and make single crochets into the next V stitches like this, single like this. So continue making single crochet, and you can see the difference between single, double, triple and half double and chain stitches. So this is a single crochet. Skip one chain and make a single crochet like this. So at last chain 1, and I finish my single crochet pattern. So now I'm in the next pattern. In next I'm going to make half double crochet. To make half double crochet we are going to make slip knot and then make a chain stitches, 16 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So I'm going to make half double crochet. To make half double crochet, skip 2 chains, 1 2 chains and make half double crochet. Grab your yarn and then pull through this 3 stitches and then pull up the 3 stitches like this. Again, continue making half double crochet, pull all 3 loops, pull all 3 loops, so next I'm going to make double crochet. So to make double crochet I make chain stitches here, and now I'm going to skip 3 chains, 1 2 3, and make double crochet into the 4th stitches and pull up the yarn, just a 2 yarn and again 2. Again, grab the yarn, pull up the 2 yarn and again pull up the 2 yarn. Two, 2. So double crochet is look like this. So again, next I'm going to make treble crochet, but you know, like treble crochet have 2 terms, is a US terms and UK terms, and UK terms it's called double triple crochet, and then in the US terms it's called treble crochet, just a treble, but in our by like I just say triple crochet. So to make treble crochet we have to skip 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and do like this. Wrap your yarn 2 times, twice, okay, like this, 1 2, and then we are going to make treble crochet. Skip 4 chains, 1 2 3 4, and we are going to grab your yarn into the 5th stitches and pull up the yarn and pull up the yarn again like this. So again, make a triple crochet. Wrap your yarn 2 times, 1 2, and grab yarn, pull up the 2 loops, pull up the 2 loops, 2 loops. Again, we are going to make triple crochet. So these are the few basic stitches in the crochet, and towards the end we will do comparison of these stitches, just so that you understand how each stitches is different from the others. So these are the few stitches in the crochet, and towards the end, like I want to do comparison of these stitches, just so that you can understand how it's look like, how each stitches is different from each other. So you can see here I make a triple crochet, and this one is a double crochet, and this one is a half double crochet, and this one is a single crochet, and this one is just chain stitches, single crochet, and this one is double and half double, double, half double, and triple. So these are the 5 basic stitches which is very important in this field. So thank you so much for watching my video, and I would like to say one thing. This is for beginner, and it's very simple pattern, and this one is the most important pattern to crochet, to start a new crochet patterns. So have a good day. Bye bye.